My dad built this wagon wheel light, and I'm not sure where he picked it up at, but what he did was he cut out the spoke with a hacksaw or angle grinder, and then purchased steel rods that are hollow and braze weld them back in. The electrical wire comes out. He drilled a hole through here so that the wire can come out. And then there's a chain link holding the light fixture there. The wire goes down into the light. And then that wire goes back into this hub. An electrician put this all together, so I'm not exactly sure how that's all done. But then there's this chain, there's S-hooks. There's 3 of them, one on the back side, that then go up to that S-hook, which then hooks into that I-hook in the ceiling. And the coffee pot light I actually show in a different video, but what really works nice here is the electrician put switches here. There's actually a light switch there on the wall, which can turn everything off, but here you can turn off the wagon wheel light, and then just the coffee pot light is on, which really works really nice for just illuminating the round table. You can also turn on the big light and turn off the coffee pot light by using this switch. But the electrician did all of that. I'm going to turn that coffee pot back on, and for the most part we use the coffee pot light, but the wagon wheel light really illuminates the whole room, which works out real nice. And electrical comes from there and goes down and over, it looks like. Not sure how that electrician did that. I think this is the power wire, and then it goes to each of the switches and then to each of the lights, it looks like. But have an electrician do that. I don't want to mess with electricity, but there's four lights on the wagon wheel light, and it works out great, and it looks really nice. Let me back away here, and there you can see the chain where the electric wire comes down from the ceiling and then goes and supplies electricity to all of the lights. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.